I went from no watch time to monetization, and I'll show you the exact strategy step by step. So guys, I did the same thing for this particular video, and as you guys can see, it got me 43,546 views, and it's still counting. You see, it gave me 8.2k watch time. Let me click on it. 8.2k watch time. So 6.6k from suggested video. You can see YouTube recommendation 41.8 thousand YouTube recommendation. You can see audience rotation. 57% of viewers are still watching around the 0:30 mark, which is typical. You can see last 48 hours it gave me 1,121 views. Let me show you guys the reach, and it gave me 119 subscribers. Let me show you guys the reach. As you can see guys, the reach it gave me this video was shown to over 800,000 people. That's the mean of impression, that's the mean of reach. So show to over 800,000 people, and it's still counting. Impression click-through rate 4.9. well, it's not bad. Views 43.5 thousand views. Unique viewers 41.2 thousand unique viewers. So guys, as you can see, if you want me to do this exact same thing on your channel, I'm going to leave my number in the description and the pinned comment. Just DM me my WhatsApp number. I'm going to do this exact same thing on your channel for you to get your 4,000 watch hours fast within 24 hours. You're going to get it fast within 24 hours. I've helped a lot of people get their 4,000 watch hours within 24 hours, and now they are monetized. So in case if you want me to do that on your channel, to DM me in the comment section. My number will be in the comment section and in the description too. My WhatsApp number. So guys, and if you also want me to give you to help you get your 1,000 subscribers, you can also DM me too. So you can see unique viewers 41 plus 119 subscribers. Viewers also watch. These are my content. You can see age, you can see gender, you can see everything. So just DM me, let me know. This is also another channel that I help monetize. Now the person just meant for the person to just apply for the YouTube partner program. The person has gotten his 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. You see, the next step is just to apply now. So I've helped a lot of people to reach their 4,000 watch hours and also get monetized. So as you can see, this is also one of my clients I help get their 4,000 watch hours. So just DM me. Let's get your channel monetized this year, so you can earn from YouTube AdSense. Don't want to make money? There's money on YouTube. I see 4,000 watch hours, views, 23k views. So DM me. My WhatsApp number is in the description of this video and the comment section of this video. DM me to get your channel monetized today. And it just took me 6 days, as you can see down here, 6 days to reach this 4,000 watch hours. So just DM me.